Good day, learners! Welcome to Math Corner's episode 5 of solving word problem using a bar model. Let's take a look with this example. A tank was filled with 9/10 liter of water. Yuki used 1/3 of the water in the tank to water the plants. The remaining amount of water was divided equally into 3 containers. What was the volume of water in each container? Let us identify the keyword used in the problem and represent those keywords in a bar model. According to the problem, the tank was filled with 9/10 liter of water. By that, we will use the latter fraction to create our starting bar model. So bringing that one in the concept of bar model, 9/10 has 10 units and 9 of those are shaded. Then this is the 9/10 liter of water in the tank. In the next sentence, Yuki used 1/3 of the water in the tank. That means we will get the 1/3 of the 9/10 liter of water in the tank. But how can we represent that one in the bar model? Simply divide 9 units of the bar into 3 to get the 1/3. Then it yields 2 like this. Then the first 3 units or any of the partitions can be used as 1/3 of the water in the tank. To continue, the remaining amount of water was then divided into 3 containers equally. That means the 6 units of the bars that represents the water left in the tank will be equally divided. To have a concrete visualization of the problem, we will form our mathematical sentence. So we have 9/10 minus 1/3 of the 9/10 divided by 3. Let's proceed to our solution. Considering our mathematical sentence, which is 9/10 minus the quantity 9/10 times 1/3 divided by 3, following the rules in simplifying fractions with combined operations, we will start from the parentheses, which is 9/10 times 1/3. We can simplify 9 and 3, which will become 3 and 1. Then multiply. Then we have 9/10 minus 3/10 divided by 3. Solve the operation inside the bracket first. Since the two fractions are similar, we can simply subtract the numerator. Then the difference is 6/10 divided by 3. Lastly, division. Apply the rule in dividing fractions, which is KCF, or keep, change, and flip. Then it yields to 6/10 times 1/3. We can simplify 6 and 3, which will become 2 and 1. Then simplify. Then our product is 2/10, which will be simplified to 1/5. Therefore, each container contains 1/5 liter of water. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from the video for today. See you on my next episode. Goodbye.